Hi guys, this is Mair. So today I'm sharing this simple veggie kebab recipe with you guys. It's very easy to make, very simple and full of flavor and full of health. So stay tuned and enjoy the video. In this recipe, you can use literally any kind of vegetables, but I'm using zucchini, bell pepper, potatoes and onion, and then we're gonna season it. In the dry spice ingredients, we're gonna use tandoori masala, garlic powder, salt, and then we're gonna put some olive oil and we're gonna mix everything well. So here we're gonna bake our vegetables for 15 to 20 minutes at 450 degree, and this is after 20 minutes. Alright guys, I will see you on the next one. Until then, take care of yourself, and if you like the video, subscribe the channel. Bye.